So here we go. We talked about this yesterday. We don't need to know any of that because we already talked about all of that. We talked about all of that. We can show some cases like Nigel did of the patient who has a gastroscopy of, we don't really know what quality because we see not much, but we do see this kind of red appearance in one of the photos, and then 3 months later the patient's got a large invasive gastric cancer at the same site. So this, of course, is the reason why we're doing this course. I think I've tried to convince you in this so far that you should at least consider morphology. So if you find something, and now we're talking about lesion characterization, that you pause the image, that you sit away from it, that you consider the morphology, because fibrosis, submucosal invasive cancer, muscular invasive cancer distorts the standard appearance. And if you in your head think this doesn't look